Let's fill out the New Jersey Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong: the VIN. Type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, and how it's paid? Here, paid in full by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. Let's walk through what New Jersey requires when you sell or buy a vehicle. First, the seller needs to appear in person, and the bill of sale must be signed by the previous owner. So make sure that signature is there before anything else. Now for the title transfer. This is an important one. In New Jersey, the title must be transferred within 10 working days from the date of sale. So don't wait on this step. If there is a lien on the vehicle, the original title will be sent to the lien holder. So keep that in mind as you plan ahead. You will also need to include the actual amount paid for the vehicle. No estimates, just the real sale price. For the odometer disclosure, the buyer's name and address must be included. So have that information ready to go. Here is something New Jersey specifically requires that you may not expect. You will need a notarized affidavit, known as Form BA-62. So plan to get that notarized as part of the process. And of course, make sure you have the date of sale documented, since that 10 working day window for the title transfer starts from that date. Take your time, gather everything together, and you should be in good shape. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.